Hello friends, in the first part of our video we were able to check the fuse of this heater and we were able to realize that the fuse was okay. So the second part of our video, we've already managed to open inside the heater. So we want to check some of the components inside here. We have a tank here. It's a water tank that normally holds some water, and we'll explain what that is used for. Then as I push my camera inside, you can see right inside here we have a fan. There's a fan here. So this is the fan. Then we have the elements. So these are the two elements here. You can see this one here and this one here. So we want to check the continuity of these two parts. So to be able to test the element, we'll put again our meter in continuity test mode, and then we listen to the buzz. So you can hear the buzz. The element is fine. When you come down here, we check also. As you can hear the buzz, it shows that the element is fine. So it seems like the problem is not the fuse and the problem is not the element. So we want to find out where else could be the problem. But as you can be able to tell, we have other parts that are still remaining. We have the switch itself. We want to check the continuity test from the top plug to the elements. When the switch is on, is it continuous or there's a broken path along the way? So like I told you, we have a water tank here. The work of this water tank is to produce steam that comes as humidity. So this is the live wire, the brown wire here, and then the neutral is here. So the neutral from the cable here comes inside here, and it comes to the heaters direct here. And then on the other end of these heaters, as you can see, the heaters are here coming all the way. This end, the extreme end, sorry, my camera, the lighting is not so good, but the other end is the one that has the live wire. But now the live wire comes with this brown wire, then it changes the color code to white, which comes to a safety switch here. This safety switch is normally turned on at the bottom here. You can see where my finger is. there's a safety switch here. So when you place the fan on the floor, it presses this button inside and then it turns on the switch so that power can go. But as I've noticed, this switch is faulty. It's not working properly. So I'm suspecting that this is where the problem could be. So I'll be able to check the continuity of the switch, and then if that's the problem, I'll be able to change it. So I've been able to identify where the problem is. I've noticed that this switch is a problem. There's no continuity between this point and this point. So I'll be able to replace the switch, and as soon as I replace the switch, I know that this heater will get back to work as normal. Hope this was very helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can write to us, and continue to subscribe and follow us as we continue learning different components.